Welcome, in front of me is Google Pixel 10, and in this video I will show you how to turn off camera mirroring effect on this smartphone. First, let's open the camera application, then go to camera settings by clicking this gear icon in the bottom left corner of your screen, then tap the more icon and scroll down until you see this option that says keep selfies as seen. And if you switch this toggle to the right, you will turn off the camera mirroring effect, and now all the selfies taken on this camera will look the way you take them. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.